Hey guys, it's Miranda from Bountiful, Utah. Installing a hitch on your Hyundai Tucson can lead to a lot of amazing things, such as biking, camping, or towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's break down the install. You will need to provide the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We're going to begin by removing the two underbody panels from the passenger and the driver's side. We're going to remove two push pins from the bottom of the panel and one from the back of the panel near the wheel well. You can remove these using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic push pin tool. Now we're going to lower the exhaust, but first you're going to need to put a supporting strap. We're going to remove the rubber isolators from the exhaust bracket using exhaust pliers and soapy water. Before raising the hitch into position, you might need to clean the weld nuts on the vehicle from dirt and debris. Do this using a wire brush. Now we're going to be raising the hitch into position. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one, we're going to need a second pair of hands. You're going to want to raise the hitch until it's flush against the frame rail and the mounting holes are lined up with the hitch. Next, we're going to install our M10 hardware with our conical tooth washers. Please be sure that the conical tooth washers have the teeth facing towards the hitch. We're now ready to torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications, and I will link that in the description below. We're going to use a torque wrench and a 16mm socket. Now it's time to raise the exhaust back into place. And then reinstall the underbody panels with the required push pins. With the hitch installed, we've pulled the vehicle to level ground to get some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The distance from the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5 inches. The distance from the ground to the top of the receiver is 14 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.